Hey everyone, this is Nate Silva. I've been working on a bunch of little projects here and there as I have time. One of those many has been trying to get a rudimentary beginner set going for small pipes for a student or someone who's maybe waiting for a set. And so at the very least to have kind of a starter set available, ready to hand out to students that they can use during lessons, they can use in practice for a while as they're maybe waiting for a set on order. I figured that would be a valuable thing. And as it happens, I've had kind of a lot of bits and pieces of small pipes kicking around in addition to my own personal set. This chanter from Michael McCarg, Ian's father. I also have this extra bellows that's been kicking around. When I got my Nate Banton small pipes, I prefer to use the bellows I already had, whereas this one is still available and it's perfectly good to use. I also already had this bag kicking around because I had my border pipes worked on by Banton and Woodson, and while they were at it, I had them replace the bag. But that's all that I had kicking around. So I had a chanter, I had a bag, I had bellows, but I didn't have any of the other bits that go in between. Come across this fellow, Daly, and I want to extend a huge thank you to him because he really was patient in my weird request in trying to figure out repurposing all these small pipe bits. Mr. Daly made up a chanter stock for me based on specs. I also, when I first ran across him, he was selling this common stock block that doesn't have the holes in it for the drones, which was perfect for my needs. I just needed something to block the hole that was already cut into this bag, as well as a blowpipe stock, the actual blowpipe, and this is plastic tubing I have kicking around the house, and then a matching connector for my bellows. So Rich made all of these up. The one thing was, due to an error of mine in measurements, the original chanter stock that Rich made up was way too wide to fit into this bag neck, and so another friend of mine, Reidy, another hearty thank you to him, he quickly brought it home with him after I ran across him at a festival. He turned it down in a week or two and sent it over to me, and Sean, you're my man. Rich Daly, you are my man. Thank you guys so much. So I wanted to just blow this up quickly and let's play a tune. All right.